Hey, good morning. This is Brian Schumann coming to you from Transwest Truck, Trailer, and RV here in Belton, Missouri on a sweltering pre-summer day where the heat index is going to be about 106. But not here. We're in a very, very nice, comfortable 2011 Tiffin Allegro Red 33AA. It's a 2017 model. Really nice coach, very nice shape. I'm excited to bring this coach to you. It's only got 42,159 miles on it, and in really nice shape both inside and out. So let's take a look at this coach and this floor plan. I think you're going to like what you see. Up front on the dash, we have flex steel furniture, which is nice to see. Always been a good brand to follow. I sure wish RVs would continue to do flex steel RVs. As you know, the Tiffin always does their slide controls here on the captain's chairs. And the reason for that is so you can stand here, face the back of the coach, and make sure that you're not hitting the slides on your chairs when the slides come in. So by moving the levers right here, you can see that, and you can make sure that you don't have any additional damage done. On this coach, on a Freightliner chassis, it's a 360 horsepower motor. You got 800 pounds of foot torque, so you got plenty of towing capacity versus a gas engine. You have in-dash navigation, backup camera, side cameras. The AC is on, blowing very, very strong. You have your HWH slides and your computer leveling system over here. Your gear shifts, lots of toggle switches, your air brake. And again, on a Freightliner chassis. We have the day shades down, which gives it a nice soft glow, but it's not blocking it out completely, but I think that gives it some added light in here, and it kind of shows you what it would look like on a very bright day. Even though we have coaches next to us, trust me, the sun is out in full bore today. So as we go around the coach, you can see we have a table and chairs on this side, which will pull out and extend. I'll show you there's two more chairs that are underneath the bedroom. But this is, again, a nice feel to this. Excellent shape, no tears, no cuts or anything like that, no discolorations. But it's a nice, comfortable seat. And again, I'm 6 feet. I got plenty of space to sit down, move my legs. Great place for, like, if you were doing a buffet and you were serving some people. You had plenty of counter space, both for you to eat, but also for additional food or other items to have up here. Coupled by that, you can see we've got ample storage all the way along here. And this one, again, is a short bay, and this one here you have enough space where you can put longer items all the way through. And again, good Tiffin quality, solid cabinetry, really solid locks and hinges. Again, that's something that Tiffin is known for and should be rewarded for. Across now you have a recliner, and you have a hide-a-bed that comes out. Two nice large windows, sliding windows. Some people like sliding windows versus the crankouts because they can run them out going down the road. But notice you have, on both sides, you have big ample windows, so if you want to open up this coach and get some country air in or a lake breeze, it'd be easy to do. And again, as you notice across the top, you've got more storage, goes all the way along for big items. Here's another section that, again, can be for longer items if you need it, or kitchen, pantry items, anything like that that you need that you want quick access to. Reading lights above, LEDs, and they're adjustable, which is nice, so you can adjust where you want to read and where you want to see. Tile floor. This is the Sunlight Sand full body paint outside. You have mocha cabinetry, which is a matte finish, raw silk interior, and you have a fawn leatherette color scheme on this red 33AL. Flat screen TV. Coming back into your kitchen area, nice ample sinks, stainless steel sinkware. Plenty of storage, and look at how deep they are, all the way down. I like here you can take your sink covers and there's an actual place where you can put them in there and keep them out of the way when you're camping. But that's a nice deep storage there, and underneath the range you have a silverware tray arrangement organizer, so you don't have to get your own, which is kind of nice. And another very, very deep tray. It looks like they had pots and pans in here, which makes sense. 3-burner cooktop. Looks like this microwave, like convection, has hardly been used, or maybe never been used. It's just really, really clean. Soft touch ceilings, fantastic fan. You have ducted AC all the way throughout the coach. Speakers here and here and here and here and up front, so you got kind of a full sound throughout your coach. And they've done a neat job with the pantries. So they have one here right by the microwave and the fridge, and then they have 2 other larger ones back here, and these have pins in them so you can adjust the height of these, so whether your spices or mixes or cereal or cooking needs vary, you can do the same thing on both of these. Again, adjustable shelves. And I like the lips so things won't fall out when you're traveling. Nice size residential fridge. You have your another little adjustable shelf area that can be used either for bathroom items or kitchen items. And carpeted is nice so things will stay where they are. And you can see your breakers are down below. So it's very easy to assess any kind of troubleshooting you need to do. This is a 1-bath model, and Katie will take you in there. A nice size radius shower, skylight, light, recessed sink, large vanity mirror, and again, ample storage both below and above for your bath and linen needs. Even a place for your towel. As you come back into the master bedroom, take note of how deep these dresser drawers are. Plenty of space for storage above and beyond. Just nice quality. Again, a deep one which will be used for a hamper, which is right next to your stackable washer and dryer by Splendid. Nice size TV, ceiling fan, and notice you have charging ports as well as electrical outlets on both sides of the nightstands, which is really nice for your cell phones or CPAC machines, whatever. Reading lights, and in your closet, your wardrobe, you have a place for hanging goods. And that's probably a good 6-foot wide closet that you can pull across with your mirrors on both sides. And again, I'm tall enough where I'm still not hitting my head. If you're taller than 6 feet, whatever, you might hit it, but either way, stepping up to it, you can watch that. And underneath your bed, you do have a place for more storage, but also the extra chairs I promised you that will accompany the table and chairs out front. So what you get in this 33AA-L is a nice size short coach, but you got plenty of horsepower so you can pull your cars, SUVs, maybe your toys. Ample room for guests to sit. If you think about it, when these seats turn around, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 people that can sit in this living room quite comfortably with 3 people there. Entertain, have a wine and cheese party, or just plain mingle at the campground and come in for a nice visit with your friends and neighbors. Plenty of power, low mileage, nice clean interior, neutral colors so you can accent it with some other colors if you want to. And a couple other things on this coach, 15,000 BTU AC heat pump and AC, that's doing a great job today in it. The ceiling fan, cooktop convection microwave. This does have one exterior slide tray down below, so when Katie shows you the exterior of the coach, make sure you note that. Outside TV, and again, the washer and dryer in the back. So again, my name is Brian Schumann here at Transwest Truck, Trailer, and RV in Belton. I encourage you to keep in touch with us. Watch our YouTube video links on our coaches. We try to put them up as soon as we get the coaches in so you can get first look at them. Give me a call, 816-892-5945. I'll be happy to give you more information on this coach or give you a virtual walkthrough if you need something else beyond this. Other than that, tune in again. We hope to see you soon, and safe travels.